learn standard ninth subject maths 1 means algebra. First chapter is a what sets. So how to define the sets? It is a defined as well defined objects. Well defined means what? Clearly defined. For example, in a classroom there are the many students and the student it is a divided, that means what, number of girls and number of boys. So number of girls and the number of boys are the sets. And for example 1, natural numbers. Again, what is the natural number? 1 2 3 4 etc. Second example is a set of a whole numbers. Now sets we are writing the two types, that is a two-way, two method. First is the what, listening method or roster method. So first point, all elements of a set in the curly bracket. That means what, the set it is a start with the curly bracket and end with the curly bracket. B, each of element is a written only once. That means what, all the elements that it is a written only one time. That means the elements is not a repeated. Third point, separated by the commas. That means all the elements thus separated by the commas. Next one, order is a not a important. Order is a not important means what? The elements we are able to write the first and the afterwards. That is a not a important. So for example, set A is equal to curly bracket 3, 5, 7, 9 and the end with the curly bracket. Similarly, B is equal to curly bracket A, B, C, D, curly bracket. Now come to the second method, that is a rule method, or it is known as a set builder form. First point, general elements using the variables. That means what, we are using the variable like x, y, z. B is a what, vertical line. We are using here what, vertical line. Now third one, property of the variable. So that means what, we are writing in the form of a property, in the form of a sentence. Now first one, b is equal to curly bracket x of x is the number such that y square is equal to 9. Second example, c is equal to curly bracket y of a y is a prime number and the close the curly bracket. Now come to the practice set 1.1. What is the question? Write the following sets in the roster form. Roster form means what? Listening method. First question, set of a even numbers. So what is the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. So how to write? Set A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now come to the second question. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now first come to the prime numbers. So what is the prime numbers? The number those who go the itself table. So what is the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. But here is asked even prime number. So there is a only one even prime number. How to write? That is a 2. So b is equal to curly bracket and 2. Now come to the third question. Set of a negative integers. So negative integers is a what? -1, -2, -3. So set C is equal to curly bracket -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and etc. Now come to the fourth question. 7 basic sounds of a sa, re, ga, ma. So sa, re, ga, ma, that is a what? Music sound. Now how to write? Set D is equal to, in the curly bracket, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, di, ni. Then the curly bracket closed. Now your homework